Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare meat pie. I got 32 meat pies with just 1 kg of flour. So follow me and enjoy this video. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back. Let's start. These are the ingredients you need. This meat, I got meat for 1,000 in Nigerian note. This cornstarch, a tablespoon. This is my carrots, this 200 naira carrots. This onion, a little. This is my Irish potato. I got it for 350. This is a little vegetable oil for the frying. This is my knorr cube. This curry masala. This is the chief spice. I love it so much. I have butter, 400 grams of butter. I have my milk powder, 1 tablespoon, salt, a pinch. I'll be needing a pinch, baking powder, 2 teaspoons. I'll be needing 1 egg, and I'll also, this is my final ingredients, flour, 1 kg of flour. You can see all my ingredients are set. Don't forget to like this video. Add in your vegetable oil. And you add your onion. You can add a little ginger and garlic, just a little to it. Stir a bit, add in your meat, and you continue stirring. Add in your curry masala. If you don't have curry masala, add your curry thyme, spice it the way you want. But this curry masala is a mixed spice. It's so lovely. It's very nice. Add your seasoning cubes. Stir a little. Add in your salt. A little salt. Stir very well. And you cover, allow it to steam. As if it's dry. You can see. Now you can add in water. Add in your Irish potato at this moment. After adding your carrot, allow it to steam a little. Now you pour in your cornstarch. Mix with water a little to dissolve, and you pour in. It will help you to bind your sauce. You see, it's binding everything together. Steam for at least 3 minutes. You remove from the heat. Our sauce is ready. To my 1 kg of flour, I will add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to it. Add a pinch of salt. You add your milk flavor. That's milk powder. You now add in your butter, this 400 grams of butter, and you start mixing. Take your time to mix. After mixing for a while, start adding water. You need cold water. That's why I'm using pure water. Make sure your water is cold. It's very important it's cold to have that crunchy look and crunchy taste. Keep adding water little at a time till your dough is formed. You can remove it on your work surface and start kneading. Eat for a while and you share it out into 32 pieces. Bring out dough one after the other. Sprinkle flour on your work surface, on your kneading rolling pin, and you start rolling it out. There are different cutters on the market, but I'll be using this. I'll be using this to cut for 200 naira. This shape is good for 200 naira. If you're in Nigeria, you can use this particular shape and cut meat pie for 200. Depending on your area, you can decide to sell 250, but it's cool at 200. This is the biggest size so far, so you can use this big one for 300 or 400 meat pie. This one is cool for 200. The one I'm using right now is cool for 200. When you're done, use the remaining egg and rub at the top of the meat pies. Make sure you're preheating your oven at this time. Make sure your oven is hot before you put in your meat pies to it. straight to my oven. Bake up to 20 minutes. You start checking your meat pie. You see the way I bake my own, this local constructed oven. I place water under to reduce the heat, going straight to the meat pie. Our meat pie is ready. These meat pies are looking so yummy, so beautiful. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and also click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and feel free to ask questions. Don't forget to check out my other videos that will be popping up on the screen. Feel free to glance through my channel. You might find other videos that you love around. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.